Hello everybody, welcome back here. It's ZArtwork with another drawing, and today I'm going to show you guys the basics on how to draw a German Shepherd. In this video I used a whole bunch of materials that I'll go on later to explain and how I use them. And also I thank you guys all for the support, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, it means a lot to me. But anyway, you just want to start with a small outline of the drawing of your dog or however you want to make your German Shepherd look, and just do a very rough outline. And now we'll get into some detail. So to do these eyes, I just darken the outline of the eye to make it very, very dark, and then shade it in the middle a bit, and then erase to add a little bit of glare effect. That's all you do with the eye. It's very, very simple to draw eyes. Remember, the steps are make your eye outline very dark, and then shade in like the pupil of the eye really dark, and then the whites of the eye kind of make them a little bit glossy, and then have I use the Uni-ball White Pen for that cool white effect on the middle of the eye. You can use whatever you want, eraser, color pencils, whatever you want to do, but I used a Uni-ball White Pen. And then on the fur is very, very simple. Everyone's like, oh, fur is hard to draw, fur is really hard to draw. But in this drawing, all I'm doing is I'm doing a whole bunch of streaks one way and then a uniform way. Keep the strokes aligned and normal, and then blend it, and then go back over the eraser, your small thin eraser, because in this case I use the TomBow Eraser. It's a very, very, very thin eraser, so it adds the hair streaks to it. Now for the nose, as you see I darkened in the nose, made it very dark, and now I'm adding a little bit more fur to the under parts of the mouth of the dog, and the same thing with the fur. You just do a whole bunch of lines in the same row, and then you erase it, and then you do it over and over and over again. I will be putting up a video of how to draw fur very shortly, so you can always look at that. And then as I'm moving on to more of the snout of the dog, I'm doing the same fur technique, but I'm using a different pencil. I'm using my Pentel Mechanical Pencil, but I'm using just standard HB LEDs. And now you see right here, I'm using 6B LEDs to add a way dark effect compared to the other parts of the German Shepherd. And then I'm going over it, kind of, dogs have whiskers, if you would say, and I'm adding the white whiskers with my Uni-ball White Pen. So now let's break this drawing down. I've so far started with the eyes, which are very simple. You just do the eyes, make them dark, then shade, and then use your Uni-ball White Pen. Then you do the hair. The hair, once again, whole bunch of streaks over and over and over again. That's what I'm doing right now. And then I'll blend it, and then you finally go over back with your TomBow Eraser or whatever eraser you're using to add the white streak effects. That's all you do with fur. That's basically the whole drawing. It's just getting the outline, the drawing fur, making the fur go the right way. You don't want to make fur going left and right if it's going up and down vertically, because if you're doing that, then the drawing's just going to look out of skew and out of whack and just really weird, essentially. So, though, I thank you guys all again for liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, and posting great feedback on my videos. I love when people post feedback, so if you have any feedback or recommendations that you want me to do, please post down below. And also, recommend my page to your friends. I love when people recommend my drawings to other friends and family, because people like to see art. So, I thank you guys for that as well. And now I'm kind of almost done with this drawing. I just have to make the ears a little bit different. To make the ears, I went on the very outskirts of the ears, very, very quick and hard, deep strokes with my simple Pentel Mechanical Pencil pen with only HB LEDs, not the 6B LED for this one. And then I just threw a whole bunch of random marks in the center of the ears, and then I went over it with my blending stick and add a little bit more fine detail to it. Now I'm going to do that with the other side, and make sure when you're doing the ears, you want to make the streaks kind of go in the exact same way, except in the middle of the ear. The middle of the ear, you kind of want to make it go in a little bit of a circle, but not quite a circle. You'll obviously practice over time, will make it better. So if you're just learning how to draw this drawing, definitely watch this video. So I thank you guys all so much for watching this video of how to draw a German Shepherd. I hope it helped. hit that subscribe button down below, and ring that bell for every single Monday and Friday, because I'll be posting a cool drawing every Monday and Friday. Every Friday will be, although, a fantasy art or fan art Friday video. And hit up my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. I will be on there posting static pictures. So I thank you guys all so much for watching this video. Have a great day.